When planning a window replacement project in Farmington Hills, Michigan, one of the most overlooked, but most critical, factors is the weather. Farmington Hills experiences all 4 seasons, from harsh winters to humid summers, and each season plays a significant role in how smoothly and effectively your window installation goes. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, curb appeal, or noise reduction, knowing how the weather affects the process can save time, money, and stress. Winter. Cold weather can complicate installation in Farmington Hills. Winters are known for freezing temperatures and heavy snowfall. This season can be particularly challenging for window replacement projects. Sealant issues. Most window sealants need a minimum temperature to cure properly. If it's too cold, they may not adhere correctly, leading to air leaks. Energy loss. Replacing windows in winter can temporarily expose your home to cold drafts, increasing your heating bills and discomfort. Material contraction. Vinyl and other materials can contract in the cold, leading to poor fitting and gaps that may not be visible until the weather warms up. Despite these challenges, some homeowners choose winter for their projects because of shorter contractor wait times. If this is your plan, make sure your contractor uses cold weather rated products and installs windows one at a time to minimize exposure. Spring. Ideal for planning and permit. Spring in Farmington Hills brings moderate temperatures and a much-needed break from snow and ice. It's a great season for scheduling window replacements, especially early spring before the summer rush. Stable temperatures. Mild temperatures allow materials like caulk and adhesives to set properly. Quicker permit approvals. The beginning of the building season often means fewer applications, which can result in faster permit processing. Dry conditions. Spring showers are common, but they're usually predictable. This helps contractors schedule installations with minimal weather interruptions. Spring also gives homeowners time to inspect winter damage and make informed choices about window types and features like energy efficiency or UV protection. Summer. Peak season for window replacement. Summer is the busiest season for window replacement in Farmington Hills, and for good reason. Optimal conditions. Warm and dry weather allows sealants to cure fast and materials to expand fully for a snug fit. Longer days. More daylight hours mean faster project completion, especially for larger window replacement jobs. High demand. Because of its advantages, summer is peak season. That means you may face higher costs or longer lead times if you wait too long to book. However, high humidity levels during Michigan summers can interfere with adhesive setting. Choosing a contractor experienced with local weather patterns helps avoid issues related to moisture. Fall. The sweet spot for quality and cost. Fall may just be the perfect season for window replacement in Farmington Hills. Cooler temperatures and a drop in demand make it a homeowner's strategic choice. Better availability. Contractors have more flexible schedules post-summer, allowing for quicker starts. Preparation for winter. Installing energy-efficient windows in the fall helps homeowners immediately benefit from better insulation once the cold hits. Weather predictability. Autumn in Michigan is typically dry with mild temperatures, ideal for installation. Fall replacements can often be completed faster and more efficiently, especially if you're replacing multiple windows throughout the home. Conclusion. Time it right for best results. The weather in Farmington Hills directly impacts the success of your window replacement project. While each season offers its own benefits and drawbacks, understanding how temperature, moisture, and seasonal trends affect materials and installation can help you make the right decision. To get the best value, consider scheduling your window replacement during spring or fall, when conditions are most favorable. If you must install in winter or summer, work with a skilled local contractor who understands how to adapt to Michigan's unpredictable weather. By planning around the seasons, you can ensure a smoother, more cost-effective upgrade that adds comfort and value to your home year-round.